I'm Caitlin Hunter, and I'm a reference librarian here at UCLA School of Law. In this video, I'll show you how you can access study aids online using two library databases. The first database that I want to show you is AspenLearningLibrary.com. This provides you with online access to a variety of study aid series, and a couple that I want to highlight are the Case Note Legal Briefs series, which provides you with case briefs for many popular law school case books, which can be very helpful when preparing for class, and the Glannon Guide series, which provides you with multiple choice questions, which can be very helpful when preparing for exams. Finally, the Examples and Explanation series provides a lot of great background and additional detail for subjects that you want to learn more about. If I scroll to the top of the page, I'll see that there's a filter by option that allows me to filter to study aids for specific classes. You'll see that there are study aids for all of your 1L classes and for many of your 2L and 3L classes. Additionally, you'll see that there are options to filter to study aids that are in video format or in audio format if that's how you prefer to study. The second database that I want to highlight is subscription.westacademic.com. Again, this is going to provide you with online access to a variety of study aid series. A couple that I want to highlight are the High Court Case Summary series and the Legal In series. Both of these provide case briefs for popular law school case books, so again, it's a really great option when you're preparing for class. Additionally, the Exam Pro series provides you with multiple choice questions, another great option if you're trying to prepare for exams. Finally, the Nutshell series provides you with a lot of great background and additional detail on subjects that you want to learn more about. Just like Aspen Learning Library, West Academic will provide you with study aids for all of your 1L classes, as well as for most of your 2L and 3L classes. Additionally, it has a section that I really like on academic and career success books. So it provides you with a lot of resources on how to prepare for exams, how to write into law review, how to get that first job. It also provides you with a variety of content types. Just like on Aspen Learning Library, you'll see that you have options to study using audio study aids and using video study aids. And there's a multiple choice content type that I really like because it allows you to actually go in and interactively take multiple choice exams. Here, for example, I'm going to go ahead and click Launch Questions, and then I'm going to click Continue to continue an exam that I've already started. And what you'll see is that I can actually go ahead and submit my answers and get immediate feedback on whether it's wrong and why, or whether it's right and why. So how do you access these two databases? Well, if you go to my.law.ucla.edu/library, you'll find detailed instructions on how to access both of these databases. The short version is that you can access either of these databases if you're on campus, and that means that you're using a law school desktop computer, or you're using a laptop that has been connected to the law school's EduRoam Wi-Fi. And you can also access these databases by enabling a VPN according to the instructions at my.law.ucla.edu/VPN. And if you're VPN enabled, you can access databases from anywhere, whether you're at home, whether you're on vacation, or wherever you want to access them. The third way to access these databases is by creating an individual account for each one. So if you can already access both of these databases just by turning on your VPN, why might you want to register for an individual account? Well, there are two basic reasons. The first is that if you've registered for an individual account, you can actually download books onto your laptop or your tablet or whatever other device you use. The second reason is that if you create an individual account, you can actually go ahead and add notes and highlights to your books. Here, for example, I'm going to go into a chapter I want to read, and then I'll open it up in the e-reader. From here, you see that I can actually go in and highlight text that I'm interested in, and go ahead and add some highlights and add some notes. The same is true in Aspen Learning Library. Again, if I'm on Aspen Learning Library and I'm logged into an individual account, I'll have an option to read offline and download this book to my laptop or my tablet or whatever other device I use. And I can click Read Online, and what I'll be able to do is go ahead and add some highlights and some notes and some bookmarks. And again, very straightforward process. Just go ahead and go in and highlight the text I'm interested in and add some notes related to that or add some highlights about it. So remember, you can find detailed instructions for accessing both of these databases at my.law.ucla.edu/library. We hope these databases will be helpful to you, and happy studying!